Be the MVP at your next game day party with this easy to make Texas trash dip. This dip is pure gold. Now don't let the name fool you. This is one amazing, creamy, cheesy, and loaded with flavor dip. This dip disappears long before the first kickoff. Now this is simple to make. Just pop all these ingredients into a bowl, give it a stir, and then you're going to put it in a baking dish. Top with a little bit more cheese and bake this off. You know what the best part of this dip is? You can prep it ahead, pop it in the oven, and when it comes party time, you're the MVP without missing a single play. Load up your chip and watch that perfect cheese bowl and get ready to share this recipe. But trust me, everyone's going to ask you for it. Game day glory in every scoop. If you'd like more game day recipes, why not pop over to GameDayEats.com.